Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here with Color Combos with Crystal. Today we are doing a technique called metallic smooched ink, and we're doing the leaves for this. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. For this fall inspired card, we are using the Obsessively Grateful stamp set along with some craft piece of paper, the sentiment from the Special Wishes stamp set, and distress oxides in cracked pistachio, fossiled amber, worn lipstick, fired brick, and vintage, along with some copper embossing powder. Let's get started. This card, I am going to begin by using some of the cracked pistachio, and I'm just going to blend some of this very lightly on the center panel of white cardstock. This cardstock has been cut 1/4 of an inch smaller than our craft base. And again, this is just going to serve as a background. So I'm going to do very light blending of the cracked pistachio. You can use distress oxides, or you can use your normal distress inks, or your favorite dye ink. Now we're going to move on to placing this over our craft cardstock. Like I said, cut 1/4 of an inch smaller than that craft. Now on watercolor paper, we are going to heat emboss the leaves from Obsessively Grateful in that copper embossing powder. You don't have to use watercolor paper, but I suggest you do because we're going to get these really wet. We're going to hand cut around the leaves and set aside. Now that our leaves are ready to go, we're going to make our blend of distress oxide. We're going to use some of the brown, the red, the pink, and the yellow, and we're just going to add little dabs of each corner on it. And I am using a piece of acetate. Next, using some clean water, we're going to just add some couple drops and then swirled to make that cool effect. And then with some gold ink or spray or paint, add a couple droplets, and we're going to dip our leaves into that. I'm going to allow drying time in between each one, as I like these colors to really soak in. And this is why we're using watercolor paper, so these leaves don't fall apart. Once the leaves are dry, I'm going to put foam adhesive on the back, start with the center one so I can align my placement, and then do the other two. And that's really pretty, but I think this needs a sentiment. For this sentiment, I'm going to be using the Special Wishes sentiment. Again, I'm going to stamp this in clear embossing powder. In clear ink, and then I'm going to use the copper embossing powder. It's going to look really nice on that black. We're going to cut the sentiment using the Hefty Doodle stripes die. And before we place it, we're going to add some more of that metallic gold splatters. Add some foam adhesive to the back of our sentiment. I'm going to do double up on this so it's raised above those leaves and placing it above the leaves. I'm really enjoying this fall inspired color combo. I hope you like it too. Please leave a sweet message below if you enjoyed this tutorial. Sign up on the Unity YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and give it a thumbs up. That way YouTube knows that you enjoy these videos. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.